Hi everybody, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So our wedding day is just around the corner. I can't believe how fast it has come round, but it feels like our time is totally consumed with planning and organising, on top of trying to juggle day-to-day family life as well. But at times like this when we are really busy, HelloFresh comes in really handy. It saves me meal planning and it also saves me that dreaded trip to the shop with 2 toddlers. If you guys are not familiar with HelloFresh, then it's basically just a meal subscription service. It gets delivered straight to your front door. They meal plan all your meals for the week and they give you recipe cards to follow, and not only that, all the ingredients are already pre-measured for you, so there's no waste. It's super simple to follow and you end up with really impressive like restaurant quality food that you've made in your own home. The great thing about HelloFresh is that you can actually pause your subscription at any point, so if you just fancy a break or you're going on holiday, you can just hit pause and then reinstate it at any point. And it really couldn't have come at a better time for us this week, because in Scotland we are actually snowed in and loads of people have really struggled to get to the shops and stuff, but for us we had our HelloFresh order at the start of the week, so we knew that we were fine for meals for the rest of the week, and it was just one less stress for us. So yeah, we were feeling very smug knowing that we had all of our meals planned already and enough food to last us until the snow went away just a little bit. Now it's all very well having the ingredients and the method to do it, but sometimes, like now, I really struggle for time, so that's why this time we decided to pick the HelloFresh Rapid Box, because it's just so much quicker. Everything takes less than 20 minutes to make, and actually one of the meals for me took about 15 minutes, which I was really impressed with, which is ideal when you've got kids like mine that go from 0 to hangry in the space of a second, and Fraser too, he also goes like that. And I also decided to get Ella involved in today's cook, so she is really excited to be involved in this video. She was loving it, she was getting educated, she was telling me all the fruits and vegetables. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching Ella and I cooking up a storm in the kitchen. If you are new, then click the subscribe button, it is free, and I would love to have you stick around for more videos from me in the future. Before we start cooking, I wanted to tell you guys as well, I have got a discount code as always. It gets you 50% off your first and your second HelloFresh box. There's a link in the description box if you just click down below, that will take you straight there, and also the code is on screen for you now so that you guys can go and use it. Definitely give it a go, it is definitely worth a try. We are total converts now, we love it, especially when you come home from holiday and it gets delivered the next day. It is such a fab thing to stock up your kitchen for that week. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to go and let you see us cooking in the kitchen. I hope you guys enjoy watching and I will see you very soon. Bye! Let me see what that's called. That's called shawarma seasoning.
What's that?
That's called buckwheat. It's like rice. Wait, what's your favourite thing in the whole bag? What's your favourite one?
Lemons.
Show me them.
2 lemons. With 2 lemons. I like a snowman.
You're like a snowman. Get started. Tea. see all the green beans? Slide them in to that. Just slide them all in, all the green beans. Just push them. That's it, well done. Not got carrots, we've got green beans. You're going to eat your green beans like a good girl?
Yeah.
Because you made them?
Yeah.
High five.
I'm going to eat all up.
Yeah. And Mummy will be so
Happy. Happy.
You hold it so I can see what to do?
Get that.
Okay.
Oh, that's just one in it.
That for me? Thank you. Did you make that? Well done. Let me see you take the big bite of your chicken.